Hey, have any of you guys tried taking online courses recently? I've been thinking about enrolling in one, but I'm not sure where to start.
Yeah, I've taken a few. They're actually pretty convenient. I did a couple on programming and digital marketing. You can learn at your own pace, which is great if you've got a busy schedule.
I've been thinking about it too, especially with so many new platforms popping up. I just don't know if they're as effective as in-person classes. Do you actually retain the information?
I felt the same way at first, Michael, but I was surprised by how much I learned. It really depends on how much effort you put in. If you stay disciplined and keep up with the material, it's just as effective. Plus, you can revisit the lectures any time.
That's what I'm hoping for. I'm thinking about signing up for a course on graphic design. I've always wanted to learn, but never had the time. Any recommendations?
For graphic design, you might want to check out Skillshare or Udemy. Both have a ton of courses, and you can usually find a course that suits your level and budget. I've heard good things about Coursera too, if you're looking for something more in-depth.
I've heard Udemy has a lot of affordable options. I might give it a shot, but how do you keep yourself motivated? That's my biggest worry. I tend to procrastinate.
Setting small, achievable goals helps a lot. I also try to schedule specific times to study, just like I would for an in-person class. And don't be afraid to connect with other students in the course. Some platforms even have discussion boards or study groups.
That's good advice. Maybe we should all sign up for a course together. That way we can keep each other motivated. Learning together will make it fun and help us stay on track. With all of us involved, it'll be easier to stay committed. We can create a group chat to share progress and encourage each other.
And I'm definitely down for learning something new together as a group. It could be really fun and motivating to go through the process with friends.
But that's actually a great idea. If we do it together, it'll keep me on track. Let's go for it. We can compare notes and help each other out if anyone gets stuck. Working as a group will make it easier and more fun.
Sounds like a plan. Let's pick a course and make a pact to finish it together.